don't know about you, but whenever I listen a song, maybe a Punjabi song or in general song, I just can't stop imagining myself and creating a whole damn choreography in my head. Otaku is a Japanese word which means person who is addicted to watching animes. But for rom-com, I have bunch of animes that I really would want you guys to watch if you want to get into watching animes and stuff. अगर आप इतने क्रिएटिव हो तो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को निकालो. एटलीस्ट दिस ईयर ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कोई रुके ना और सुने ना आपको, बिकॉज इट इज दैट अट्रैक्टिव. It's almost been a week since we have entered into 2026, and if you're still bed rotting and just imagining the situation of you learning how to drive or maybe learning how to sing or dance, stop, because your imaginations are imaginations, sir or ma'am, maybe. But if you actually want to get those imagination into reality, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Khwahish, and if you're watching this face for the very first time, which I believe you do, then let me just introduce myself very quick. Hi, my name is Khwahish, and I am a working person. I am a language student. Like, I've been studying Japanese language for almost 5 years now, and I make videos. And yeah, that's it. So, through the title and the thumbnail of this video, you guys must be knowing what are we going to talk about today. Yes, we are going to talk about hobbies, not just your regular hobbies. Basically, the hobbies that looks basic but are actually not. I mean, if I found you with those hobbies, basically if I just saw you doing those things, or maybe having such hobbies, I would instantly want to be your friend so bad. And to get to know those, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so starting off with the number one, which is crocheting. Okay, to be honest, crocheting is something I really wanted to learn from last year, and I kid you not, if I found you taking out those yarns or maybe the equipment used to crocheting and making such stuff, I would really want to start a conversation with you, even though I'm an introvert. But honestly, at this point, I just love people who crochet. I mean, they can crochet anything. You want to make a piece of cloth, you can crochet it. You want to make a stuffed toy, you can crochet. You want to make a handbag or whatever, you can crochet it. I mean, how cool is that? I'm not even exaggerating. The people who crochet are so cool in my opinion, and the fact that I really want to be that cool person, I'm looking forward to learn crochet this year. Okay, moving on to the next one we have is learning a new language. So being a language student myself, like I've been learning Japanese language for almost 5 years now, I feel myself cool. I mean, I don't know about others, but just imagine someone is talking beside you in a different language, the language you don't know. Don't you be curious thinking कि भाई ये बंदा बोल क्या रहा है? So languages are something I find very cool in general. I mean, it's not just about foreign language. I feel like any language you learn is a win-win situation, because XYZ person don't know what you're talking about, and nothing can be cooler than that. I mean, not in a wrong way, but the fact that you are delivering the thing that others don't understand, but someone you are talking to शॉक में चला गया वो बंदा, वो सोच रहे भाई ये बंदे को मेरी लैंग्वेज कैसे आती है. Just that POV, this makes me think कि why haven't I continued learning Spanish though? I mean, I started last year,
बट चीजें स्टार्ट करके बीच में छोड़ना इज वन ऑफ माई साइड हॉबी.
साइड हॉबी को हम एक्चुअली इस साल साइड करने के लिए we really need to work on that. Actually used to watch those Omegle videos, मतलब जहाँ पे people shock other nationalities people by talking in their language, and they get shocked. Obviously, like a foreigner will speak to me in Hindi or maybe start singing Hindi songs, I would be shocked thinking कि भाई what is this? You know Hindi, you know my mother tongue, and I would be flattered. To be honest, I would be. So if you're someone thinking to learn a new language this year, just don't think, start with it right now, because there's no because, just start with it. Moving on we have is watching animes. I mean, I wanted to make this video kind of a less screen time video, but the fact that I can't exclude animes from the list is something I really want to talk about. If you already watch animes, you guys know that how addict someone can be. Otaku is a Japanese word which means person who is addicted to watching animes. I mean, it actually is an addiction if you really get into it. I don't know if it is about being cool or not, but discussing the anime characters or maybe the storyline or maybe the episode you are on is something I find really cool. If you're someone looking forward to start with a new anime, or maybe you want recommendation for rom-com, I have bunch of animes that I really would want you guys to watch if you want to get into watching animes and stuff. We are just going on to our next hobby, which is starting a YouTube channel, or basically just starting your personal brand. मतलब वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's not just about a YouTube channel. It could be maybe an Instagram page. It could be maybe a podcast, maybe something that is of your own, maybe a blog. Honestly, I feel like building a personal brand from scratch is something requires hard work, requires determination to the core level. Because आप कुछ एकदम स्क्रैच एकदम बेसिक से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, दैट यू हैव नो नॉलेज अबाउट. नॉलेज यू हैव इज जस्ट कि मुझे स्टार्ट करना है, बस उतनी नॉलेज और उतनी ही चाहिए. If I talk about YouTube is something, if you are ambitious enough, then only you can do this. YouTube is something, it needs your time, it needs perseverance, it tests your patience. फिलहाल YouTube से ज़्यादा तो मेरा Insta patience check कर रहा है. Honestly, I really find people cool who document their life, who document the stuff they do, or maybe just edit the video, do those things. Feels like they're actually in their own world. It feels like they don't care about anyone. This is a part of art, I feel like. The fact that you're embracing your art, the fact that you're actually working on your hobbies is cool in itself. Because if you're self-doubting it now, you will self-doubt it even when you are making videos. Why not you just self-doubt yourself when you make videos rather than before making one, if that makes sense. Next up in the list we have is dance. I know बहुत बेसिक है. आई नो दिस इज समथिंग, हमें पता है ये तो बचपन की हॉबी है. एक्चुअली डांसिंग इज समथिंग वन ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड hobby. When people call dance therapeutic, it is actually. And when people dance, I in general find them so cool. I don't know about you, but whenever I listen a song, maybe a Punjabi song, or maybe in general song, I just can't stop imagining myself and creating a whole damn choreography in my head. तो ऐसा लगता है कि I am the main lead and I am the choreographer. I am performing. I always used to have a dream of learning dance through attending dance classes, and वो dream अभी भी dream ही है. But this is something I'm looking forward in 2026 to actually work on my dancing skills, to actually work on my childhood hobby, I would say. If dancing or singing or any hobby you feel like यार ये तो बहुत basic है, this is something not cool, so it is not. It is very cool. The definition of your coolness should just matter to you and not to others. Moving on to the next one we have is playing an instrument. If I found you on a metro or maybe just somewhere playing ukulele or guitar or just singing, I would find you so attractive and I would really want to initiate a conversation with you. The fact the people who knows how to play an instrument, whatever it is, कुछ भी हो, छोटे से छोटा बड़े से बड़ा, looks really cool. It literally shows how you are as a person. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं वो personality factor आ ही जाता है. Just imagine you playing your instrument and someone passing by. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, कोई रुके ना और सुने ना आपको. Okay, that's it for the video. I really wanted to talk about these hobbies, these things that I feel like I would find really cool if I found you doing those things. But you can consider this as a part 1 if you want a part 2. That's it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please comment down your favorite part, your favorite hobby, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll meet you guys in my next one. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.